What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hawaiian hot dog. If you love anything pineapples, this is the recipe for you because we are going to be making hot dogs and they are going to be Hawaiian. Pineapple, Hawaiian, they're in the same league. It's going to be a very easy recipe and in a matter of 5 minutes you'll be having your hot dog. So let's get started. And before I start, if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love cooking, and welcome to Infoods Specials where the recipes are always simple and easy. Yeah. So now we can get started. So here I have my pineapples, coriander, pepper, hot dogs, my hot dog buns, sriracha, mayo, and salt. That is what we are going to be using today. You see, that is a very simple recipe with just minimal ingredients. So we are going to move on the stove top and on medium heat. You're going to place your grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use the simple pan you have. It is just a very simple recipe, so any pan can do. Once your pan is hot, you're going to place your pineapples. I bought a whole pineapple, then I sliced my pineapple. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to have grill marks on the pineapple, that's all. There's nothing new about the pineapples, just grilling them to get the grill marks, yeah? So you're going to grill your pineapple for 1 to 2 minutes. And this is how it's looking. You see? That is what I wanted. So I'm going to place it facing the other side so that we can get the same marks on the pineapple. So once your pineapples are ready, you're going to place them aside. Yeah, they're looking lovely. So now I'm going to place my hot dogs. I need the same grill marks on my hot dogs. So they are already defrosted, they are at room temperature. So it's going to be very easy to grill our hot dogs. So you're going to grill your hot dogs for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. You can see the grill marks. Very nice. If you're making a lot of hot dogs, then you will double up the amount of ingredients, and you can find the list of ingredients in the description box. Also, you can follow me on Instagram because I have amazing content and videos. It's been around 2 minutes and my hot dogs are coming along nicely. See? Very nice. If you love going to picnics, then this is a very simple recipe that you can prepare in a matter of minutes and include it in your picnic basket. Yeah. So my hot dogs are ready. I'm going to put them aside. Very nice. And then in the same pan, I'm going to grill my buns. Very nice. We're just trying to toast them a little bit. So when they are toasting, I'm going to be slicing my pineapples. So I'll start with the smaller one. I just want little slices of the pineapple. Not slices, actually, pieces. It's going to be so good. Now that I've sliced my pineapples, I'm going to place them in a small bowl. Just like that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coriander and a little bit of salt. Just a tiny little bit of salt, not too much. like a pinch. Then I'm going to use a spoon and mix together the coriander with the pineapples and salt. So this is a recipe for 2. If you need more hot dogs, you can double up the ingredients. Just a small recipe. I'm going to put this aside and check on my buns. Wow, look. They are looking fantastic. Very nice. Then lastly, I'm going to place my peppers in the pan. I just need to sear my peppers a little bit. So I'm not using a lot of pepper. This is just a very small amount. So I'm going to show you the next step. Or I'm going to show you now how to assemble our hot dogs. Yummy! Check on my peppers and turn. So to my buns, I'm going to add a little bit of mayo. I love using eggless mayo. That is what I prefer. And some sriracha. It is spicy, but it is just mild. Then I'm going to use my spoon and spread out the sauce. You can hear how crunchy the hot dog bun is. Then next I'm going to place my hot dogs. Next I'm going to place my salsa. This salsa is pineapple salsa. It's like salsa. And then my next hot dog. Very nice. This is going to be so delicious. Then lastly, I'm going to place my chilies. These hot dogs are very yummy from the pineapples and spicy from the chili and sriracha, and the combination of all these spices bring out a very nice taste once you bite into it. So I hope you try out making these Hawaiian hot dogs and you will enjoy each and every bite.